Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix lock profile option not showing on your Facebook account. As you know, Facebook add a new feature called lock profile. So you can lock your profile on Facebook easily. But many of us he miss this option on their accounts. In this video I will show you how to recover it. First thing you want to do is go to your Facebook app and open it like this. As you see now, for example, you are on your profile, Facebook profile. You are on your Facebook profile. Now you want to, for example, to make this profile locked. For example, when I go to these three dots, as you see here, there is no lock profile option showing here. As you see now, in this window, there is no lock profile option. Now, what I'm going to do to recover this option? The first solution to recover this option is by going to your Play Store or App Store on your phone and search for Facebook like this. Then what you're going to do next, you click on Update. If you have this option showing here, Update, click on it and wait until the updating finish. When the update finish, you go back to your Facebook and try to search if the option is showing here or not. If not, what you're going to do next, you will go to your Facebook app and click on it. Long click, then click on App Info. Then try to to clear cache and data of your app. And make sure if you want to force stop the app, like this. Then if the option lock profile not showing again, what you're going to do for the next step or for the last solution I will show you is by contacting the support team of Facebook. Go to your Facebook like this, then click on the three lines, then scroll down and click on help support, then click on report a problem, then click on report problem again. Then click include and continue. Then here you will choose the topic related with your problem. Our problem related with the lock profile, so is related with the profile. Click on profile like this. Then I will describe the issue I face on my Facebook account, and I will back to you. As you see here, we write our message. The message is like this: my lock profile or hi, sorry. Hi Team Facebook, my lock profile option not showing on my account. I did everything to recover it but nothing happened. Please help me to recover this option very soon. In the end, you write thanks support team of Facebook. If you want to write your Facebook profile name, write it here. Write like this, profile name, and write your name, Facebook name for more information. Then you can also add a screenshot. Go to the problem place and take screenshots from it. Then upload it from here. Click on upload from phone. Then upload the photo or the screenshot you take. When you finish writing this message, click on send paper at the top right, like this. Click on it. Then your report will be sending to team or support team of Facebook. Then it will show you or it will review your message and fix your problem very soon. So this is how to fix lock profile not showing or missing on your Facebook account. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.